Hey,
Hey,
good morning.
hello. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for joining this hangout about Google Drive. And well, the goal of this hangout is not really a training on Google Drive. It's just a walkthrough, just to let you know most of the, or at least some of the things that you can do with Google Drive, what Google Drive is about, and some important features of it, like document sharing, documents uploading, and things like that. Let me start by showing you how to access Google Drive. Uh, you just open up your browser and type. Oh, by the way, you should have a Google account to be able to log into Google Drive. And the fastest and easiest way to get a Google account is to create a Gmail account. If you already have a Gmail account, then you already have a
Account.
Google
Are
account.
we allowed? Are we supposed to talk, or who is?
Yeah,
Well, how
sure.
do? Yeah.
As
Okay.
I'm talking, you can, well, if you have some questions or anything that would like to say, just start talking and okay,
Do we
Cool.
know
just
how
go
many
ahead.
people we have right now? Like, how many are we connected?
Right now, we're just the three of us.
Okay.
Uh, I hope that somebody else start watching either by either through YouTube or join us,
Okay.
okay, here on inside the Hangout. But either way, this Hangout is being recorded and will be available on YouTube, so other people can watch it later. Okay?
Okay. Have you created a YouTube account, or I don't know what it's called?
Yeah. It's this Hangout is being broadcasted through YouTube
But how
right
do we
now.
find it? Is it under I
If
don't
you
know,
go,
like a
if you
Food
go,
Revolution page or something like that?
oh no, it's on my personal
Oh,
YouTube account,
okay.
my
Okay.
personal channel.
Okay.
If you go to the Facebook event page, I have posted the link just a few minutes
Okay.
ago.
Yeah, I saw it. I
Yeah.
just
Is it in our
wasn't sure.
secret page, or is it? Sorry, Sam. Is it on your secret on our secret page, or is it on your account?
This broadcast is public. Anyone who has the link can watch it.
Okay.
Okay.
And
Okay.
can we then upload it into the files of the group? Or upload, I guess we can put the link, right, in the group, and whoever wants
Oh,
to see it.
once we finish with this
Okay,
broadcast, I will
post the link.
yeah, I will post the link to the shared folder again on our Facebook group.
Okay.
Okay, so everybody uh, can open up the shared folder and read the documents and edit the documents and things like that.
Okay.
Well, to access the Google Drive, um, you just have to type the proper the right URL, which is
Okay.
drive.google.com. And if you are already logged
Hang on. So
to
what is the drive?
drive.google.com. If you are already logged into your Google account, either Gmail or any other Google service, you will not have to log in again to access Google Drive. Okay, you will access automatically, just as I did. All
Okay.
right. And
So are you
well,
talking of Zoom?
I'm sorry. Can you repeat that?
Are you talking of the Zoom app?
I'm sorry, I didn't understand.
I think I'm like kind of not really familiar. So are you talking of this Google account? Is it the one Zoom app or?
A Gmail.
The Google account is the same that you use it to join to join the Hangout. Do you have a Gmail account?
Yes.
You can use your Gmail account to access Google Drive.
So why do we need that?
You need that to be able to store, share, and then retrieve your documents. You need that. You need the account so you can store your documents on the Google servers and then later retrieve them. Okay.
But why do we have to store in that account?
I'm sorry. Can you repeat that?
Why do we have to store in that account everything? I guess because we're going to share it.
No. That's how it works. If you have a few years ago, we didn't have Google Drive as Google Gmail, and all of, or at least most of, the Google services are what we call cloud services. Okay, it's software that you don't install on your computer. You use them, you access them and use them through your browser. Okay. Imagine that. Imagine that you have a text editor installed on your computer. Okay. If you create a document using that text editor, you have two options after you create it. Okay, you can save it or delete it. If you need that document for later, either to read or to send to someone, you must save it. Okay, and in that case, you're gonna save it to your computer drive. Okay, think about Google Drive.
Sam.
Yeah.
Sam.
Yeah. Go ahead.
You know, because I did not read very carefully what this was, and I just haven't got the inside of this, what the purpose is and why we're doing this, and what is this JFOR? What is this? So would you be able to give me a bit of outline why we are doing this today?
Okay, Jessica and some other people started a new project called the Cookbook. Okay, yeah. So we are creating a cookbook of recipe, a cookbook based on information sent by all the Food Revolution ambassadors.
And we need to know how to work together under the same applications, using the same formats, working together with the same documents, so that we can go, from one point to the other, review and read at the same spreadsheets. So we need to share a lot of documents. And I am not familiar with Google Drive, and Sam offered to whoever else wasn't familiar with it to join in this sort of walkthrough, so we could learn how to use it, and we could all function together as a group with the same tools and understanding everything, so that it doesn't stop us from what we want to do.
Okay, I understand now. Yeah, cool. So with this, the recipe book that is, the proposal is to create, is it informed to all the ambassadors?
It was posted in the general ambassadors page. It was born there, the idea of this cookbook. And initially, the cookbook was going to be just a small ebook or something simpler. And now, since there has been so many ambassadors wanting to contribute, and there is a lot of expertise in different areas, the cookbook project has grown quite a bit. So now we're being more ambitious, and we're going to see if we can manage work groups in charge of different areas, and we can create a much bigger project. So right now we're setting the basis of everything so that we can create the different work groups. For example, marketing, and inside marketing there's going to be different areas, and then the recipe testing, and there's going to be work groups that test the recipes, take photographs of the recipes, review the recipes for grammatical errors. There's different areas. So right now we're at the beginning, and we're trying to see how we're going to establish all the workflow between us. So one of the tools that we need is the Google Drive. I don't know in which area have you volunteered, because we created the work group. Let's call it that way. The ambassador work group for the ambassadors that wanted to help in specific areas. So when we figure out how we're going to exactly work and communicate with Joe Creed and with the Food Revolution corporate, I guess, then we will talk with all the ambassadors that are in the work group, and then we will start assigning different chores and team leaders and start the real work. Right now we're kind of figuring out how.
That is fantastic. So okay. So that's really cool. I did send information as to I wanted to do 2 things: recipe writing, and I think it was tasting. So I think we're in this right track.
Yes.
So so that's good. But this, are you there?
Yeah. Yes. Your camera has gone out, but your audio is fine.
Far out. What do I do now? I want to see that.
It's probably a connection issue.
Okay.
Because you are far away. Yeah.
But it's not needed.
Okay. Yes. So can you guys see me?
No.
Can you guys see me, or
no,
can you
we
guys
cannot
see me?
see you, but we can hear you.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, very good. Now, so I can lie down and talk. So
yeah. You can
so
relax.
now I'm understanding. Yeah, because I'm still in my 90.
Okay.
So now I'm understanding. It's so it's coming into one team and doing from one station everywhere it is going. So that's really good. So now I understand, and then we have to have that Google Drive.
Yeah.
To do that.
Yeah, and this is about Google Drive, and we are using Google Drive as a tool to help us organize the project.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
And share information, share ideas, and everything that we need to share with each other.
Okay, so when I get off, like when we finish this conversation, I have to go on Google Drive, is it? So what do I do to get there? Jessica?
I will post the link to the shared folder on Google Drive, where all the files will be uploaded, okay?
Right.
And where you can also create files yourself.
Right.
Okay.
So we
all you have to do is visit our group, and the link will be there.
So there's
So
going
how
to be
will
I'm sorry. There's going to be a shared Google Drive for the project.
Yeah, a shared folder for the project. Yeah.
Okay, a shared folder
right.
for the project. Okay.
Okay. So does it mean that if it is a shared folder, do we get a password to go in?
You will be using your Google account to access.
Okay.
Okay.
Right. Okay. And
So
you are going to give that information to us.
I'm sorry. Can you repeat that?
You are going to post that information to us, or so you're gonna post.
I will. I will post to the I will post on the cookbook group. Okay.
Okay.
Well,
Sounds good.
let me start then.
Okay.
As you can see, I have a lot of documents here. This is my Google account from Nutrition Facts. Talking about them, if you wish to visit them, the website has a lot of great.
There's nothing happening on my screen. It's frozen. Or are you opening or moving? Because I don't see any action on my screen. I just see.
But do you see the files and then the Google
I see the
Drive?
files. I see.
Yeah, I'm not moving or.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm not doing anything right now. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, don't worry. Well, if you would like, I would recommend you visiting Nutrition Facts. The website is nutritionfacts.org. Okay.
Okay. Up on the upper left corner, Nutrition Facts.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can see it. It's nutritionfacts.org.
So what do I do?
ORG.
Sam.
Okay.
Nutrition Facts.
What do I do?
I'm sorry?
Sam, what do I do? Because I can hear your voice only. So what do I do?
Can you see my screen?
No.
Let me see.
I can just hear your voice.
Okay. I'm not
And that
sure.
is a hangout.
Maybe you should try to close.
Reconnect.
Yeah, to close the Hangout window and try to reconnect again.
It says new video call. Can I do that?
First you have to close the Hangout window, and then you can use the same link that you used to join the Hangout.
Also, I have to go back to back right to the beginning.
Yeah,
okay.
Right to the beginning. Go to Facebook,
okay, so I'll do
grab
that
the
now.
link again, and try to join again. But first, close the Hangout window.
All right.
Okay?
Okay, I'm just going to go now.
Okay.
And
we will be waiting for you.
Thank you, Sam.
Thank you. Well,
thank you for your patience, Sam, because we're like completely
as we are recording.
Starting to walk here.
Yeah, no problem. As we are recording, I think I can go ahead, and if she wants to reveal what we're talking about, she can watch the video on YouTube.
Okay.
So, well, I was talking about Nutrition Facts, and you can visit Nutrition Facts. They have a lot of great videos.
There you are.
Hey, hello. Can you see the screen now?
Yes.
All right, that's great.
We can see you.
All right. Well, you can see that I have a lot of documents here. Okay, those are all documents that I'm working on. I'm working on for some projects inside Nutrition Facts or for Nutrition Facts. Okay. And I'm going to use this account to demonstrate what we can do and what Google Drive is. Okay. I'm sorry, but I cannot use my personal account for this because it's full of a lot of documents that I have to be careful with,
Okay.
related to customers, and you know,
Yeah, no
it could be a
problem.
problem for me.
Sure.
Well, I think that once we log in to Google Drive, the first thing we notice is that red big button right here on the top. Okay,
Then.
and we are going to use it right now to create a new folder.
Okay.
Okay, we can click on it, choose folder. Okay, type in the name of the folder.
Okay.
Drive. And now we have the
I'm
folder
on
here.
iPhone, so yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Jessica, are you on your PC or iPhone?
No, I'm on a Mac.
Okay.
Like a PC. Yeah, no, it's not iPhone. It's my PC, but it's a Mac.
Vimla, are you using your smartphone?
Yes, Android.
All right, that's great. Can you see the screen?
Yes, but you know it's very small. Of course, it's very small.
Oh yeah, it probably is. Don't worry about you. If you don't see something, just ask about. And if you can read something, just ask about. And remember that you will be able to watch the video again once we finish, because it's been recorded. Okay. All right. Well, we have created the folder. Okay. We can change how we see the files and the folders by going on this little icon here. I'm sorry. This little icon here. Okay. And if you click it, you see now, instead of having big icons, we have a list of all the documents and folders. Okay. Let's click on the new folder to open it. Okay. Now we are inside the folder, and it has no documents inside it. Okay. Let's start by adding a new Google Docs document to that folder. Okay. And to do that, all we have to do is go inside the folder, click on New, and Google Docs. And now we can start editing it.
Okay.
Fast.
Can we edit with other people live on one same document?
Yes, we can. Let me do something. I'm not sure if I'll be able to do that, but yeah, I think I can do that. I will delete the folder later. Okay. After we finish, and so that's not a big deal. So let me first. We will get back to the document in a few minutes. Okay. Let me show you another thing first. So this is the folder. We can go back to the root of your driver to see the folder on the list. Okay. If we click on it and then go to this icon here with a little person and a plus sign, we can share that folder.
The drive. Okay, share the folder.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's
and all you have to do to share the folder is type the
name of the person. Oh, the email.
Yeah, the name or the email address of the person. If you are already connected to the person, just typing the name will do the trick. But if you're not connected to the person, You're gonna have to type the email address.
Okay.
What's your email address again?
Mine?
Yeah, please, Jessica.
Mine is Jess Demar. Jesdemar.
E.
MAR.
Mar.
Like that. Share the folder. Okay.
And I'm sharing with you.
Great.
Okay, do you see Google Drive is giving me a warning because I'm sharing this folder with someone from outside the organization. And
Okay.
what Google Drive means by organization is the nutrition facts organization.
Right.
Okay, but that's not a big deal right now because we're just testing, and I will erase the folder later. Okay, so yes, and here we are. Do you see that the icon of the folder has changed?
Yeah.
It now has a little person.
Shared
It means
folder.
that the folder is shared. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, if you go to Google Drive.
Should I go now to Google
Yeah,
and
you
see
can
if I
go
can?
now.
Okay.
But don't close
No. I'm opening
the
a new
Hangout
tab.
window. Yeah, just open a new window. Go to Google Drive or you can even just just use this link.
Oh, okay. All right.
Let me see where I can send that for you. I will send that on our group chat. Okay. On Facebook.
Okay. On the group chat. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Redirecting. Drive walkthrough. Okay. Right. Now I opened another tab and I got into my my personal drive. I do not have, or maybe if I put shared with me. Oh yeah, there you are.
Yeah.
Okay.
I was going to talk about that.
Okay.
If somebody has shared something with you, you can always go to the shared with me page. And right now I don't have anything that somebody else has shared with me on this account. Okay.
I can see here what you sent before, the spreadsheet and of the teams and tasks that I was looking for before. And I don't know. There's another folder for the.
There is also another nice page.
And there's
we can call it a page. Okay. No big deal. It's the recent documents. If you click on recent, you're gonna see a list of all the recent the documents that you have opened or added.
Where is that? I'm looking at your screen. Can you show me where is? Oh, okay, recent. Okay.
Recent, yeah.
Oh, it's okay on that side.
Yeah.
Let me see if I can find it on my drive. Okay, recent. I got it.
Yes.
I'm just listening. Sam, I'm just listening. Jessica, I'm just listening because I can't really get it on this small screen.
Yeah.
It's hard. It's difficult to read, right?
And it doesn't make it bigger as well. So I'm just listening to you guys.
Let me try to make it a little bit bigger. Let me see. Is it better now?
Nah, still.
Not really. Yeah, the problem is that your screen is too small. A smartphone screen is very small. Yeah.
Yeah.
But don't worry. Just keep watching, and once we finish, we will be able to watch it again on YouTube.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, from a TV or a computer. Okay.
Okay.
Well, the recent is the latest documents that we have added or created or opened. Okay, and we have also the we can store documents. Let's say this test document. If I click or if I select it, yeah, and to select you just have to click on it. Okay, and I right click. Okay, I just click the right button of the mouse. Okay, to show this menu, and we can store a document by clicking here, Auto Store. Okay.
Okay.
So see now it has a star, and it will be listed on the stored documents.
Okay. So then it's easier to find.
Yeah, it's easier to find. Yeah.
Star documents.
Yeah. Okay. And also you have the trash as you would have on your computer. Everything that you delete goes to the trash, and it stays there for at least 60 days.
Okay.
I'm not wrong. Trash. I think it's 60 days. Yes. Okay.
Stays 60 days. Good.
Yeah. So let's go back to the new folder that I created and share it with you. So we have the test document. If we click on it, we'll open the document, and you can do that yourself also. Oh, by the way, let me go back here to the shared folder. Every time that you share a folder with somebody, any number of people, okay, everything that you create inside that folder will be automatically shared to the people to which the folder is shared with.
Okay.
Okay.
So whatever modifications you make are going on live to everyone.
Yeah, to everyone that has access to that shared folder.
Okay.
Okay. So if you open up the test document, you're going to be able to edit it together in real time with me. Okay.
Okay, I'm trying to. Okay, I'm trying to go right now into my own test. I'm in my own drive, looking at recent. I need to go back to find the list.
Go to the shared with me folder. I think it's the shared with me page.
Okay, shared with me. Okay, there you are. Yeah, okay.
Right.
Drive walkthrough and test documents and opening it. Okay. Okay, so this is the test.
Do you see?
I'm here.
Do you see right here? Yeah, do you see right here? I have your picture on the document. Do you see?
My picture? Oh, hold on, let me see your page. Okay, yeah, that's me.
Yeah, every time somebody opens up a document that you are editing, you will be able to see the picture of that person right here on the top.
Okay.
Wow, that's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's nice, right? And
also, I just wrote also there. I added "I'm here," and if he hovers of what I wrote, it says who wrote it.
Yeah, yeah.
So that's awesome because you can see.
Highlight, Jessica, please highlight a part of the text.
Okay, hello. I'm highlighting, and
you see?
going.
It shows up as pink. Yeah.
Oh, this is fantastic.
Right here on the top, your color is pink. You see?
Okay.
Each user editing the document will be given a color.
Fantastic.
Okay.
Okay. So we can edit the document. We can compose the document together at the same time.
Wow.
And don't get confused.
Oh, this is going to make things so much easier.
Wow, unreal! Nice. This is so.
Oh yes, this is great. This will make us. This will allow us to work so much better together.
Yeah. Well, let me just give a very quick walk through the Google Docs, which is this app. Okay, on this gray row, you have all the main tools that you can use. For example, to select, if you select a chunk of text, a piece of text, and click on this drop down, you can select if that text will be a title.
Is this based on Office, like Word?
Yeah, it's somewhat
if you're
similar to.
familiar,
Yeah.
if you're familiar with Word, then you should be able to work on it, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
It will be pretty much intuitive.
Okay.
Yeah. And here we have the size, okay?
Yeah.
The size. Here we have the font type, okay?
Okay.
We can choose impact. We can choose Arial. We can choose Comic.
Does this is this being saved? Who saves it, or is it being saved as it is being worked on?
Yeah, that's a good question. Every new Google Drive user asks me that because we are used to save the document while we are typing, so we don't lose anything. Okay, but there is no save on Google Drive.
So it's constantly being saved.
Yeah, every time you type something, it's
already saved. Okay.
Yeah, you don't have to worry about saving documents or losing work or anything like that.
Okay, that's much better.
Yeah, it's very good. So here you have those text features like bold, italic, underline. Okay, you see it's underlined right now. Let me make this a little bit bigger. Let me see. Yeah, see, underline, italic, underline. You can choose the text color.
Right now you're modifying something that I had modified. Is there when you hover over it, is there does it show that two people worked on the same word, let's say, or phrase, or?
The only thing that it shows is your cursor. Do you see? It shows a Jessica.
Okay.
Yeah,
But
and your cursor has the color of your avatar, which is right on top. Okay. So they do that so we don't edit the same thing at the same time.
okay, so it's for the editing at the right like at the same time that you're working, so that not two people work on the same thing at the same time.
Yeah, we can work on the same document, but
No, right, but on the
it
same
wouldn't be productive to
words or
work
phrases.
on the same word, on the same phrase, or
Right.
something like that.
Okay.
Okay. So we can choose the text color. Okay. Let's say we choose green. Okay, it's green now. We can select it again and choose a background color for that text. Just clicking here again, but now I'm going to choose highlight, and then let's see this magenta, light magenta.
Yeah.
You see, it's now.
It's my color.
Yeah, it's now highlighted with the and we can add links if we select awesome and click the link button. We can add a link. http://google.com. Apply. And now this is a link, you see? And if we click on it, it will show up the link. And if we click on the link, it will open up a new tab and show the link for you. Okay?
Good.
Well, oh, this is a very nice feature. Okay? Let's say that we are editing this. Let's say that you are not online. Okay? You are not online, but we are editing this document together. but each one on his one time zone, each one
Right.
at his one time. Okay. So let's say that I typing some text here. Okay. Let me clean let me clean this text. Okay. Yeah, we can use this last icon here to clean the text. Okay.
Okay.
To clean all the formatting. Let's say we have this text here. Okay. It's just no sense letters. Okay. And let's suppose this is a real text and it's saying something about the project. Okay. I can highlight this and click on this button here. And once I click on this button, I will be able to add a comment to that sentence. Okay? Jessica, virgula, is that okay with you? Okay. No, with you is better, right?
Yeah,
okay with
you.
Okay with you.
Yeah.
Let's say that we are listing tasks for the project. Okay. For example,
I just love the idea that all three of us have different languages and we're all working on this.
Yeah,
I know. It's so
it's
good.
Crazy, right?
Yeah, amazing. That's
So
what
where
I
are
love
you
about
from?
the project. I'm from Peru.
We are.
Okay, and how about you, Sam?
I'm from Brazil, São Paulo.
Oh, that's where Rotary International Convention was.
Yeah. That's
Wow.
crazy, right? Something that 20 years ago would be imaginable, right?
I know, yeah.
20 or 30 years ago would be imaginable to, you know?
We are living in the future.
Yeah, we are.
So,
Yeah, it's awesome. Yeah.
Yeah, so this with me, I'm not very computer literate, but I think it is possible for anyone to get used to this.
It looks quite easy.
Yeah, because for me, this is the second time I'm attending a meeting like this, and I think it's not that hard, but yes, all the documents you guys are doing, probably that's something to go one-on-one basis and learn that in the first place, or take time and go through and practice it.
Yeah.
So yeah, anyway, I think I'll have to head off to work in 20 minutes. So I'll have to get ready and go. So that will mean I'll have to look for your documentation, and it is going to be, where is it going to be, Sam?
The link will be available at our Facebook group. Can you hear me, Vimla?
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Hello?
Hello? I think we lost her.
Okay.
Okay, let's hope she managed to get back, or we try to find her on Facebook and send her.
Yeah, we can send her a message.
Yeah. Okay. Did you like this?
I think this is fantastic. I think
we
this
can
is
comment
great.
and leave comments on the document.
Yeah, I already put a comment there.
All right. Also, we have this. Let me see where it is.
Okay, once we put a comment like this, then the comments are okay. Let's say I highlighted an area, and the comment comes in that area, and then in some other area of the document, I comment something else. And then what happens once we, I don't know, agree on whatever I commented or modify whatever? What happens to those comments? Do they remain there? Can we resolve?
Yeah, let me show you. For example, you have highlighted the second item of the list. Okay, if I click on the second item of the list, the highlight will get a little bit stronger, and your comment will jump a little bit to the left, showing me that that's the active comment. Okay, I can reply to your comment. Reply to your comment. Okay, and once we have agreed, we can click on resolve, and the comment's gone.
Great.
Okay.
Great. Okay.
So we can. But we still can, we still can.
And you have a log of all the comments?
Yeah, we can still see the history of comments. Yeah.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
I understand why you were saying that it was important to get into Google Drive.
Yeah,
Google Drive is facilitate awesome. Everything.
It's an awesome tool.
Yeah, fantastic. Yeah.
Since I started using Google Drive, I never touched Microsoft Office again.
Of course.
Yeah.
This is
Makes
so
no
much
sense,
better.
right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Getting back to Microsoft Office.
Right. No wonder they're teaching kids. Like they're teaching my daughter at school to work everything with Google Drive, and they work on their projects together. I guess she already knows how to work all these things, but
yeah. And it's pretty much intuitive, right?
Yeah, it's quite easy.
Yeah. Also, there are notifications. Okay. Every time I add a comment to a document that is shared with you, you're gonna receive a notification either on your phone or your Gmail account.
Okay.
No, saying that
I can.
You can even reply to that comment by just replying to the email that you have received.
Okay, and let's say I want it to appear on my phone. I can change the settings for the phone or is it automatic?
Regarding the phone, you're gonna have to install the Google Drive app on your phone.
Okay, no problem. Okay. Yeah, because that would be important. That way we can work well, I mean, stay connected and still make changes, modifications, whatever, approve, and you know, since we have such different time zones, well, not you and me, but
and turn on the computer. Yeah.
Good.
And the comments is, I think, the one of the most important features.
Yes, that's useful because
very useful.
It makes everything faster. You know, you don't have to type the whole comment. Yeah,
you can even add some, but this is more a sort of this is a sort of a more advanced thing. Okay, you can add features to the Google Docs app by by searching for add-ons.
Okay.
And if you click on add-ons, let's see. For example, this is an app or an add-on to Google Docs that will make it easier for you to create bibliographies.
Okay.
And citation
generator. Great.
You have a treasure. Okay. You have translate. You can translate documents on the fly. You can add mathematical graphs.
Okay.
And things like that. It's small add-ons that extends the functionality. You see the calculator? It extends the functionality.
Is there one of these apps to manage time zones that, let's say, that I can see what time I'm talking
Let me
with
see.
more,
I'm not sure, but it probably might have. I have never used it before. Let me see. Time zone.
Or maybe time.
Yeah. Let me see. Proofread. There is another amazing. There is another amazing feature on Google Docs, but uh, it's very advanced. Okay, and you must know a little bit of programming. Okay,
Okay.
to deal with it. But the thing is, you can extend Google Docs to whatever need you have by programming
Okay.
the extension. And you can do that by
Okay.
programming using JavaScript. And if you need
Okay.
something that is not available, let me know, and I will let you know if I have the needed time to create it for
Okay.
you. Okay?
Okay. One thing that would be useful is because I think that's something that all ambassadors would like to be able to have as something that would tell us the different time zones that of the people that we're working with, you know, because sometimes I may be wanting to work on something and getting all, you know, excited about something, and it's about 3 a.m. with whoever I'm talking to, and so
Maybe
that
we
would help
can
at the
add
time.
that. Maybe we can add that. We can add that to the work group spreadsheet, a new column or something like that with the time zone of each one of the members of the working group.
Yeah, to
And
see what time, you know, they're at, and to schedule meeting times with them.
because I think it's not productive, it's not real productive, it's not really productive to know the time zone of all of everybody.
No, no, no,
You know,
no, no. With the
just the
team
members,
leaders.
just the volunteers you are working with,
Yeah,
and
yeah. Just the actually just the heads of each area, because those are the ones that we're going to be dealing with most.
yeah, and maybe we can add a new item to the volunteer sign up form to let them type in their time zone or at least the country they are living in.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That
Yeah,
would be very helpful.
yeah. Okay.
Hmm.
Well, this is it. Uh,
Okay, this is
this
great.
is Google Docs.
Could we, I don't know if you have the time now or maybe later, could you give me a walkthrough of Asana the same way that you've given me the walkthrough of Google Drive?
Yeah. We can even record the walkthrough so other volunteers can watch later.
Oh, that would be fantastic. Yeah.
Yeah. Let me show you just one more thing. I will show you the
Okay.
Google Sheets, which
Okay.
is the spreadsheet. Okay. Every time I create a new item, a new document on a shared folder, Google Docs will warn me, Google Drive will warn me that I'm creating,
Sharing.
yeah, I'm sharing
Okay.
automatically with,
Okay.
yeah, okay. So this is spreadsheet. We can also, we can do most of the things that we do on the Microsoft spreadsheet,
Hmm.
Microsoft Excel.
Excel.
Okay,
Right.
we have charts. We can insert charts. You see.
Uh-huh.
Uh,
By the way, the forms that we have, well, that you have created
I will show you how to
to
do the forms just right away.
the information in the forms, can we see a chart with how many people we have, let's say, for work
Yeah, I will show
group
you that. I will
one?
show you that.
Okay, okay, fantastic.
I will
Okay.
show you that. On the spreadsheet, okay, which is called Google, the app itself is called Google Sheets, okay,
Okay.
Google Sheets demo, okay,
Okay.
demonstration. Um, well, we also have the comments, okay. So
Mm-hmm.
let's say we have something on this cell. Let's say it's a number, okay, and that's the price of something. I don't know. Maybe,
Sam, I'm on the page that we were before on the test document for the word processing. How do I get out of that?
You
If I
just need
want
to close the tab. Just close the tab.
Oh, just close the tab. Okay.
Yeah. Don't even worry about
Oh,
saving
okay.
because it's saved
Okay.
automatically.
Okay. Now I see your Google demo, the sheets. Okay, so
All
I'm
right.
here also.
Right. I can see you here right now.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, by the way, on both of them, okay, and most of the Google tools, we can chat inside the tool.
Great.
You see?
Okay. Let me go there.
And this
Okay.
chat will be recorded.
Hi, Sam. Oops. Sam. Okay, good.
Right. It's almost
So
like
that's going to be
Hangout
okay, like the way that we talk on the messenger.
Yeah, just
But
like a
inside each
messenger.
document.
Yeah, but it leaves just inside the document and will be kept
Like a
as
history of the working with the document.
yeah.
Excellent.
Okay. And we can also comment here. Okay, add a comment. Why is this so expensive? For example. So every time we highlight,
Okay, so I go
we
there.
go over the cell, we're gonna see the comment, and if we click on the comment,
Okay.
you're gonna you will be able to reply.
No. Reply. Okay.
Okay. And once we have agreed open, we can also resolve, and it goes away, but it keeps a record on the history of the notifications.
Oh, that is fantastic. Yes.
And even it
That
shows
is awesome.
the cell it was about. You see?
Uh-huh. Oh, and it highlights it there.
Yeah,
Oh, wow.
it highlights the cell also.
Amazing. Amazing.
All right.
Yeah, great.
And we have also the add-ons. You can add add-ons. Okay.
Okay,
It's
so
the same thing.
when we start working with this and we use the spreadsheet for the work groups, we can add people or remove people, and we will see a history of who added and who removed and how the work groups are being managed.
Yes.
Okay, good.
Okay. And let's close this spreadsheet. We don't need it anymore. I think we went through the most important aspects of the tool. And let's talk about the forms. In fact, the forms are spreadsheets. Okay.
Ooh, hold on. No, I was trying to send a message, but it interferes.
Okay.
No,
Well,
because I have yeah, that's fine.
do you have something to do right now?
I just need to tell somebody that I won't be able to make it. This is much more important, but it's at 7:30 that she's expecting me, so I'll just I'll let her know that I won't be able to make it.
We will be finishing in about 5 minutes.
Oh, I know, but that's like a 50-minute drive, so don't worry. No problem. No, actually, this is great, so it's no problem at all.
Okay. Well, as I was saying, the Google Forms are spreadsheets themselves, okay? But they are presented to us with a different interface. Let me show you. We click on New, okay? And if it's not displaying right here, we go to More, and then we choose the Google Forms. Okay.
Okay.
It's warning me again that I'm creating this form on a shared folder.
On the shared folder.
Okay. Yeah. I want to do that. Then I click OK. And it opens up the form editor. Okay.
Okay. Now I do not see that the form in the, I'm going into my drive. Oh, my drive.
Yeah, let me type a name.
Recent.
Testing.
Okay. So you have to write a name, and then it shows on my.
Google, yeah, let me type a name.
Okay.
Google form
Demo.
If you go to the folder, to the shared folder, you're gonna be able to see it.
Shared with me.
Or at least you should.
Google Ambassador folder. Wait, where am I?
Let me see if it's
Shared with
shared.
me.
Yeah, it's shared. Do you see the sharing?
Oh, okay. Drive. No, I didn't go into Drive walkthrough. I was looking at the other Drive. Okay, so yes, I'm here at the form. Okay.
All right. Yeah, I can see you here right now.
Okay.
All right. We can also edit the form at the same time. It's just like
how many people can work on one document at the same time?
a lot of people.
Okay.
A lot of people, really. But the thing is, if we have too many people, that happened. I see that happen, or that happening one or two times with projects that has a huge amount of people working with. Okay. For example, once there were about 900. I think it was 900. Yeah, something like that. 900 people accessing the same spreadsheet to add their names to working groups. Yeah, it was a huge project, and it didn't really crash, but it really didn't crash, but it was slow as hell.
I can imagine.
Yeah. There is a limitation. There is a limitation.
Okay, but yeah, for what we're going to do, it's okay.
Reach that limitation.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the form. Okay, the form editor. You choose what type of question you want to make, you want to create on this drop down. Okay, you have paragraph text. Okay, let's go through each one of them quickly.
By the way, we are right now working on your nutrition facts. This is being hosted where? That's my question. Or it's hosted by Google.
It's hosted by Google. It's always hosted by Google. Yeah.
Okay, so I can create any form, and it's no problem because I don't have to worry about anything. It's up in the cloud in Google.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's secure. It's almost impossible to lose the data, to lose the information. It's accessible from using your account or the account of those to whom you share the document with. Okay, so it's accessible using the Google account from any device, any computer. It's very nice. It's very easy to work with. And you can even, but this is a kind of more advanced thing, okay? But you can even set up some apps, some of the tools available for Google Drive to work offline. So it would behave and act just like a software that you install it on your computer.
Yeah.
Okay. So you don't need access to the internet to use them, to edit documents and things like that. But it's a little bit more advanced, okay? And I can talk about that on another video. Okay.
Okay.
So let's go through the type of questions that we can make. So this is a text question. So question.
Something happened with the communication. Okay. No, because I was messaging this girl that I wasn't going to make it. Okay, and something interfered, but okay, I'm here. Now I already sent her the message, so that's fine. Okay. Okay, question.
And well,
text.
This is the question. Okay, this is the
Okay.
question. This is the T
Okay.
or instruction for the question.
Oh, instruction for the question. Okay.
Yeah, and right here you choose. If you select this option, the question will be required.
If it's a mandatory field.
Mandatory, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So let's make it mandatory, and I click done. Okay. So we have already a question with a text field. Let's add another item. Okay. So we have once again a question. Okay. Question. We have the tip or instructions. Instruction. Okay. So, but this time I'm going to choose a paragraph text. Okay. And I will make that required. Okay. Let's add just one more, and the other question types you can explore by yourself. It's pretty much intuitive. No big deal. Let's get multiple choice. Okay, for this one. And then I can once again type a question, okay, and this is the question. I can type the help text, which is a sort of a tip or instruction about the question, okay, and then I can add options for the user or the person that is answering the question to select. So I have option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4, and option 5. Okay, and the user will be able to select each one of those. Okay, and let's make that required also.
And that's to select one of those, but you can also, all that apply also can be another type of,
we can do that by
let's say that somebody's volunteering for like 3 different areas because they can,
let me show you,
cook and take a photo.
Let me show for you.
Okay.
If we need multiple, if we have multiple choices, then I mean, if the user can select more than one choice, then we use checkboxes. Okay, so option 1, option 2, option 3.
Okay, check. Okay,
option 5. Let's make that required also. Done. Okay, do you see now? I can't play with that right now. I will show you how that will be shown. Okay, this is the basic. Okay, there is a lot more functions that we can use to make our form work differently. For example, we can have multiple pages, multiple form pages. Okay, and once the user answer all the questions on one of the pages, Google will take the user to the second, to the third, or to the fourth page. We can also have the user answer a question, and based on the question, let me show you this. Based on the question, okay, go to a page. Oh, did you see this option? Go to a page based on answer. So, if the user selects option 1, he can continue to the next page, or go to page 1 or page 2, or submit the form, or do you see?
Okay, yeah.
Okay,
Okay, I
those
understand.
are actions based on the user choice.
Yeah, on whatever the user is choosing. Okay,
Yeah, yeah. Okay, we can do
Good.
that also, but I'm going to
So if you say
turn off
that,
this.
for example, I'm interested in recipes, I don't know, trying recipes, then it takes you to maybe another page that says,
Yeah, we
okay,
could
do you know how to
have.
take photographs, and do you know how
Yeah,
to copy edit, and
we could have
all that?
a different page for each one of the work groups, and once the user select what work groups he wants to join, we can take the user to a form to questions specific to that work group.
Right, specific to that work group and to the area inside that group.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
great.
Yeah, we can do that also. Yeah, I think that, well, once you have finished your form, okay, once you have finished it, to publish it, all you have to do is click on the send form button. It's this blue button on the right top. Okay. You can copy. You can copy the form URL. Okay, or you can even ask Google to create a short URL for you, and that's the short URL. You see, it's
Good.
it's
So
cleaner. It's
form,
cleaner.
then
Yeah.
publish.
You can also share the form
Publish
on
equals
Google,
submit form.
Facebook, Twitter. Okay, or send via email to anyone
and then
you would like
to email. Now I'm writing all this so that I can remember.
Okay.
Facebook, tweet. Okay.
Okay. And well, once the form is published, let me see. I'm not. Okay. Cancel. Okay, done. Now it comes to the responses.
What does this mean? Choose response.
Destination.
Destination.
Yeah. Where it means that you can store all the sent forms either on a new spreadsheet, on a new sheet inside the spreadsheet. Do you recall that I told you that Google Forms
Sam,
is a spreadsheet?
I'm hearing you. I'm hearing you, but your sound is kind of cut.
Cutting?
Not fading, but it has like a cut. So it's hard to understand.
This is probably
I don't know
because
why.
of my connection. Is it better now? Hello?
I think so.
Okay.
No.
So the destination. This means that
no, it's still like
shopping.
It has this cuts in between, but yeah, jumpy. I don't know. I can still understand everything, but it's hard. I thought that maybe it was easier to fix.
Okay. Okay, we can add. Is it better now? Hello?
No, but don't worry.
Okay, I will try to keep.
It's not that bad.
Okay, I will speak slower. So The
Oh, it's
cutting
fine.
does not
It's fine.
interfere too much.
It's just like an annoying jump. I can understand what you say. It's just it has like this little tick, 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 tick. So
Okay.
it's not terrible.
Okay. Well, the thing
Okay,
is,
so it can
we
be
need to
stored.
save. We need to store all the responses or all the forms that the users are submitting or sending. We need to store that somewhere. We can store that on a new sheet, on a new spreadsheet.
Okay.
Or we can store that on on a new sheet or a new sheet of an existing spreadsheet. Let's say that you already have a spreadsheet and you want to store that information there. You can do that by creating a new sheet inside that spreadsheet. Okay.
Okay. Like one, like a tab inside a spreadsheet.
Yeah, the sheet is the tab. Is the tab. Do you recall? Do you recall the work group spreadsheet? Work groups spreadsheet.
Yeah. Should
I
I go
have
there?
created 3 tabs there. We have the executive tab.
Hold on.
We have the technology tab. If you open up that, you're going to be. Let me show you.
Okay,
Let me show you.
Okay.
Let me show you. It might be the somebody else might benefit from it. You see, this is a sheet. Okay. This is a spreadsheet that the demo spreadsheet that we created a few minutes ago.
Yes.
And
Yeah.
this on the bottom shows which sheet is opened. Okay. Right now we have just one sheet on this spreadsheet. I can add one more, or 2 more, or 3 more, and we can have information here. Information here. Do you see? There are different sheets, but inside the same spreadsheet. I think Microsoft. I think not really. I think I know that Microsoft Excel has something similar to that.
Yeah. It does. It's this. That's what I call the tabs. So that you can have, I don't know, the yearly spread and then January, February, March in each tab or whatever.
Yeah. It's very, very useful to organize information.
Yeah. So whenever we have a form, then the information gets saved in one of those.
Yeah. For example, if I click on a new sheet, okay, I will Google Drive will ask me to choose the sheet. Okay, let's say Google Sheets demo. Select, and that's it. Now all the responses, everything that is submitted through this form will be saved inside the Google Sheets demo, a spreadsheet. Okay, let me go.
So there is a spreadsheet being created for the form.
Yeah, take a look here. Do you remember that we had just 4 tabs? Now we have 5 tabs, and the first one is the form responses. If I click on form responses, do you see? I have all the questions here as columns.
Okay, good.
Yeah. Okay. Let's go back to the form.
Make a chart out of them.
Yeah. We can either okay, Phil. We can either go to the live form by clicking here, okay, or we can click again on send form and grab the URL, the link to the form. Okay, let's grab the link to the form and paste to a new tab. And here it is.
Okay.
That's the form. We can answer the form.
That's the form that any user would see.
Yeah, that's
a regular
the
user would see.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you see the difference between this question and this question?
Mm-hmm.
Here I can select. It allows me just to select just one, and here
I
can
remember
select
this from
more
my HTML days. When I used to work on web design.
All right, that's
so
cool.
it's like a refreshing course a little bit.
All right, if we submit the form, okay, we have submitted the form. We can submit another response. Let's submit again.
When you submit the form, like today that I sent you the two what do you call it, suggestions in that form. Do you receive them and you get a notification? Do you have that?
No, I don't get any notification, but the information is saved on a spreadsheet. I will show you which spreadsheet.
And how do you know, let's say that I am, like today, that I sent you to try the suggestions in the form that you created. How you just go and check to see if somebody has
submitted,
filled the form, submitted the form.
Mm-hmm. I just go and check. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay. Let me see. So, they are changing the features all the time. Let me see if there is any new feature that would allow us to.
Okay.
No, I don't think we can be warned. I don't think that we can receive a notification by email every time somebody wants us the form. Yeah, no. Do you see? We have this column, this item here on the menu that says responses. We can see here how many times the form has been answered or submitted. Okay. And we can also. This is very nice. The summary of responses. Okay. Let me just send just one more response so you can see it. Okay. Let's open the summary. This is a very nice feature. Do you see now we have two here?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And let's open up the summary. This is very nice.
Yeah, that's what I meant. Uh-huh.
Yeah. We have the charts of how many persons choose one option or another.
Yeah, I have seen. I have seen this work before. It's very, very interesting and useful. So.
Yeah.
Because it's live, right? And I answer. Okay, I work on gluten-free, and there's a celiac map of the world. It's a form that you fill out, and then it tells you where in the world whoever answered that form, and then also all the different questions. You can click on a link inside there, and it gives you the results page, and you can see whoever. I don't know. You can see all the data that is being collected, and it's very interesting.
Nice. Well, this is it for the forms. If we choose, let me show just one more thing. If we choose to save the form on a new spreadsheet, okay, let's say new spreadsheet, we can either accept this will be the name of the new spreadsheet, okay? We can accept, we can use the default name, which will be, the default name is always the name of the form plus responses. Right here, response, you see? Or we can edit and type in a completely different name. And if we choose this option, the new spreadsheet, okay, let's choose it, create. What Google Drive will do is it will create, you see, a new spreadsheet to store all the responses on the same folder where the form is. The form is right here, and on the same folder it will create the spreadsheet to store the responses.
With the responses.
Yeah. Okay.
Good.
Do you have any question or would like to do make any comment or?
No, I understand yeah, pretty much I understand how it all